Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and we're looking at this beautiful 2-bedroom. This is in the Standard on the River. It's a really nice, very new, recently built place, and we're just doing a quick walkthrough so you can see it. That's the door, and let's walk through the kitchen and just see how cute this is. Look at these beautiful appliances. Really nice appliances. This has kind of a darker gray quartz feel. You got some really nice cabinets too, and you got a lot of them also. Love the amount of cabinets. And then hey, you've got a great island that's here too. The island's super cool, and a modern cool lighting too. So really love the lighting in here. Hey, you've got a nice built-in desk over there, and then look at this space. This is a lot of space. This is really cool. I like all the space that's here, and then nice separation of the bedroom. That's the guest, and then that's the master over there. Very cool. Love it. You do have a balcony as well, or a patio, depending on the floor. And one thing I'm going to point out is these are private yards. So if you're on the first floor, you're going to have a private yard. So huge feature that's really hard to get, and a big deal for if you have pets. So anyway, that's a little bit of what this looks like. If you have questions about it, then text me. My number's below. I'll answer those questions super quick, and it's always 100% free service. If you want to see a little bit more about this, then watch the detailed videos. Those are coming up soon, and you can see those detailed videos where I walk through. Okay, let's go to the next video right now.